Making sense of reporting verbs. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our video series on intermediate grammar. Today, we'll dive into the world of reported speech and focus on a key element, reporting verbs. Understanding and correctly using these verbs will help you tremendously in enhancing your English language skills, especially when you're retelling stories or conversations. Reporting verbs are used to report what someone else has said. They provide an effective way to convey someone else's words in your own sentence. Common reporting verbs include say, tell, ask, inform, advise, suggest, promise, reply, agree, and deny. Each verb varies slightly in its meaning and use, which we will discuss in the following sections. When we look at reporting verbs, the first two that probably come to mind are say and tell. These are very commonly used, but there are many more to explore. Ask. This verb is used when a question is being reported. E.g., she asked if I was okay. Inform. Used when one person gives new information to another. E.g., he informed us that the meeting was cancelled. Advise. This is used when someone gives advice. E.g., the doctor advised him to rest for a week. Suggest. When someone gives a suggestion. E.g., she suggested going to the cinema. Promise. Used when someone makes a promise. E.g., he promised to return my book. Reply. This verb is used when someone's response is being reported. E.g., she replied that she was not hungry. Agree. Used when one person concurs with another. E.g., they agreed that the plan was good. Deny. When someone refuses or contradicts a statement. E.g., he denied being at the scene of the crime. Practicing the use of reporting verbs is the best way to become familiar with them. Try to incorporate these verbs into your daily conversations and written exchanges. The more you use them, the better you'll understand the context and nuances of each verb. Here is a simple exercise. Think of a conversation you had recently. Now, try to retell it using as many different reporting verbs as you can. Did someone suggest something? Did they promise to do anything? Try to vary your language to make your story more engaging and precise. There you have it, a quick introduction to common reporting verbs. Remember, these verbs are tools that can enrich your speech and writing, making them more precise, interesting, and accurate. Thanks for joining us in this video, and we hope that it has made the world of reported speech clearer for you. Keep practicing and see you in our next video.